Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the skin cancer detection using Python. So this will be the complete website. Let's click on skin detection and you have to choose the image. Let's select this image and then click on upload button. So model will load and it will give the prediction result. Like it will give the prediction, severity and precautions. Let's click on cancer detection and select any image for the input image and then click on the upload button. Okay, and it will give the prediction result like prediction benign. This will be the information section. It will give the complete information related to disease with the photos. This will be the complete slider. User can move towards right or left. This will be the about section where user can add the team member details here. And the final will be the contact us section. It will show the map and the contact form. This will be the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.